Hello, tech enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the stunning specifications of the iPhone 15 Pro Max? This next-generation device by Apple has been making waves even before its official release, and it's no wonder why. The buzz around this phone has been monumental, and we're all eager to see how Apple plans to redefine the smartphone game yet again. From its sleek design to high-tech features, it's set to be a game-changer. So, without further ado, let's explore the features of this amazing device. First things first, let's talk about the design and build of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This masterpiece from Apple has been meticulously designed to offer a perfect blend of style and substance. The dimensions of this stunner are roughly 6.30 by 3.02 by 0.33 inches, making it a comfortable fit in your hand or pocket. And weighing in at about 7.80 ounces, it has a reassuring heft without being too heavy. The build quality is, as always, top-notch. We're looking at a robust titanium frame sandwiched between a glass front and back, both made by Corning. It's not just about aesthetics, though. This phone is built to last. It comes with an IP68 rating, meaning it's dust-tight and can resist water up to a certain depth. So whether you're caught in a downpour or accidentally drop your phone in the sink, the iPhone 15 Pro Max should come out unscathed. One of the key features that makes this phone stand out is its support for Apple Pay. With just a tap, you can make secure transactions, making your life that much easier. So, a sleek design with a sturdy build, the iPhone 15 Pro Max certainly looks promising. With its blend of elegance and durability, this phone is more than ready to be your daily companion in the hustle and bustle of life. Now, onto the showstopper, the display. This is where the iPhone 15 Pro Max truly shines. It features an LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display, a mouthful of words that translate into an extraordinary viewing experience. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, your scrolling, swiping, and gaming will be smoother than ever. The display supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, bringing you vibrant colors and deep blacks that are simply a treat for the eyes. We're talking about a resolution of 1290 by 2796 pixels on a screen that spans 6.7 inches. This gives you an impressive 89.8% screen-to-body ratio for an immersive viewing experience. And let's not forget the ceramic shield glass that offers top-notch protection against accidental drops. With such an incredible display, your viewing experience is bound to be nothing short of stunning. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a real beast. This state-of-the-art device runs on the latest iOS 17, delivering an enriched mobile experience with enhanced features, security, and versatility. But what's really exciting is the revolutionary Apple A17 Pro chip built on a 3nm process. This beast of a processor ensures smooth and efficient operations, even when you're multitasking or running heavy-duty applications. Adding to the performance capabilities, the device employs a hexa-core CPU configuration, allowing for rapid execution of instructions and a seamless user experience. And for the gamers and graphic designers out there, the iPhone 15 Pro Max features a 6-core Apple GPU. It provides stunning visual effects and detailed graphics, ensuring immersive gameplay and professional-grade design capability. With such powerful performance, this phone is a true powerhouse. When it comes to storage, the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers plenty of options. This is a device that truly understands the importance of space for all your photos, videos, apps, and more. So, what options do you have? Well, the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes in not one, not two, but 3 storage configurations. You can choose from 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, or, if you're someone who needs a ton of storage, there's a whopping 1 terabyte option. But it's not just about the size of the storage. It's about the speed too. With NVMe technology, this device ensures lightning-fast data access. So, no matter if you're playing a high-resolution game, streaming a movie, or working on a project, you'll experience no lag or delay. So whether you're a casual user or a power user, there's an iPhone 15 Pro Max for you. Let's now turn our focus to the camera setup of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The camera setup on this device is nothing short of a photographer's dream. With a remarkable triple lens system, you have all the tools you need to capture the world as you see it. The primary 48MP wide lens promises stunning detail and clarity in every shot. Then there's the 12MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a feature that brings the farthest objects up close without losing any detail. It's like having a telescope in your pocket. And for those breathtaking landscapes or group photos, the 12MP ultra-wide lens with a 120 ports field of view has got you covered. It's designed to capture as much of the scene as possible, making every shot truly cinematic. But that's not all. The iPhone 15 Pro Max also features a TOF3D LiDAR scanner for depth sensing. This cutting-edge technology enhances the depth of field in your photos, creating a professional bokeh effect that blurs the background and brings the subject into sharp focus. And for the video enthusiasts, this phone is a real game changer. With 4K video recording capability, you can capture moments with the highest level of detail. Whether it's a fun day at the beach or a breathtaking sunset, every moment is worth capturing in 4K. But Apple didn't stop there. They also added ProRes support, a high-quality video compression format that is widely used in film and TV production. This means you can shoot and edit videos right on your phone that are of professional quality. And let's not forget about the dual LED flash that illuminates even the darkest scenes, making sure you can capture great photos and videos day or night. With such a powerful camera setup, your photography game is about to level up. And for all you selfie enthusiasts out there, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has got you covered. This next-generation device is equipped with a 12-megapixel front camera that features a wide lens. This means every selfie you take will capture more of the scene, making your photos look more professional and dynamic. But that's not all. This front camera also boasts a unique feature called SL3D. This innovative technology is used for depth sensing, ensuring that your selfies have the perfect amount of focus and blur. Whether you're snapping a quick selfie or setting up a group shot, this feature will make sure you're always in focus. And for those of you who love creating vlogs or making video calls, you'll be thrilled to know that this front camera supports 4K video recording. So you can produce high-quality videos or have crystal clear video chats all from your phone. With a front camera like this, your selfies and vlogs are going to look better than ever. Last but not least, let's talk about connectivity. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is jam-packed with a multitude of connectivity options, ensuring you're always in touch with the world around you. First off, it's equipped with Wi-Fi 800 2.11, providing ultra-fast wireless internet access, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. In addition, the phone boasts Bluetooth 5.3, allowing for seamless pairing with a wide range of devices, from wireless headphones to smart home devices. This means you can enjoy your favorite tunes, take calls hands-free, or even control your home's lighting or temperature, all from your iPhone. The iPhone 15 Pro Max also features precise GPS positioning, making it easier than ever to navigate your way around town or embark on a road trip adventure. And for those who need it, the phone supports NFC for contactless payments and easy data transfer. With these connectivity options, the iPhone 15 Pro Max ensures you're always connected.
So there you have it, folks. We've just taken a deep dive into the specifications of the highly anticipated iPhone 15 Pro Max. From its sleek and durable design to the breathtaking Super Retina XDR OLED display, this phone is a marvel of modern technology. It's powered by the cutting-edge Apple A17 Pro chip and available in storage configurations up to an impressive 1 terabyte. For the photography enthusiasts, the triple camera setup with advanced features like a TOF3D LiDAR scanner will surely make every shot a masterpiece. And let's not forget the front camera that's perfect for high-quality selfies and vlogs. With state-of-the-art connectivity options, this phone is set to keep you connected in style. It's clear that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is more than just a phone. It's a statement. Stay tuned for more tech updates and don't forget to share your thoughts on the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the comments below. Until next time, stay techie, stay